Following the last video of Cheongdongjin trip in Gangwon-do Province, Korea, I made walking tour of 4 beaches in Gangneung of Gangwon-do Province this time. Skybay Hotel with views both of Gyeongpo Lake and Gyeongpo Beach, which is the landmark in Gangneung. 5-star Seamarq Hotel with the best ocean views, which is the most expensive and hardest to reserve in Gangneung. 4 beaches that start from Seamarq Hotel. I toured them by walking and I put them all in this video. While there's some cruise hotel on cliffs in Cheongdongjin, Skybay Hotel is a landmark of Gangneung. Everyone gets to admire the dazzling sight of Gyeongpo Lake from observatory on the 20th floor of the hotel. The overlooking views of Gyeongpo Beach from Infinity Pool on the 20th floor is dizzying. After looking around Gyeongpo Beach, I'm going to Gyeongpo Lake.
And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
There are many bike rental shops, so tourists can look around Gyeongpo Lake riding a bike or a family bike.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling. To your tight, I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
Coming out of Gyeongpo Lake, I encountered Seamarq Hotel, standing high on a hill on the way to beaches. Though it's not huge, it's 5-star hotel with ocean views on all sides. It has the best ocean views and it's the most expensive and hardest to reserve in Gangneung. Pine tree forest runs to the beach, and when tourists come down the stairs, they can take a walk along beaches.
Show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone.
Crossing the bridge, Gangmun Beach, that is the most beautiful beach in Gangneung, appears. It's popular because of exotic palm trees, fine sand, many photo zones, and convenience facilities such as restaurants, cafes, and hotels. Passing by Gangmun Beach, a pine tree forest stretches for long, where people can take a walk with phyton-side shower. While walking, they can enjoy both the forest and beach. After walking in the forest along the beach for quite long, I passed by Songjeong Beach and then reached Anmok Beach, that is famous for cafe street. There are lots of cafes, so people can rest at a beautiful cafe, looking out the beach close, or take photos at many hot photo spots. Palm trees have been planted recently, so people can feel exotic views as well. At the end of Anmok Beach is Gangneung Port, where tourists can take ferries for Ulung Island. Walking tour of Gyeongpo Lake, 4 beaches in Gangneung, and Gyeongpo Port took about 3 hours. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.